Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into lehenga fashion choices of Shraddha Das. Shraddha could stun in a pastel-hued lehenga with intricate embroidery or delicate embellishments. Soft shades like powder blue, blush pink, or mint green would complement her radiant complexion, while subtle floral motifs or sequin work would add a touch of glamour. A classic choice for any occasion, a rich red lehenga would exude timeless elegance on Shraddha. She could opt for a traditional silk lehenga with gold zari work or go for a modern twist with a red velvet ensemble adorned with intricate beadwork or mirror embellishments. The actress could experiment with fusion styles by pairing a traditional lehenga skirt with a trendy crop top or a structured jacket. Mixing fabrics like silk, chiffon, and organza could add depth and texture to her ensemble, while modern cuts and drapes would lend a contemporary edge. Bold and vibrant prints can make a striking statement, and Shraddha could rock a printed lehenga with panache. Whether it's intricate paisley motifs, geometric patterns, or nature-inspired designs, a printed lehenga would reflect her playful personality while still maintaining a touch of sophistication. For a more understated yet chic look, she opted for a minimalist lehenga with clean lines and subtle detailing. A monochrome lehenga in shades like ivory, beige, or black, paired with a sleek blouse and minimal accessories, would exude effortless elegance and sophistication. The actress could showcase her fashion-forward style by experimenting with unconventional silhouettes and cuts. She could try asymmetrical hemlines, layered skirts, or unconventional drapes to create a unique and memorable look that sets her apart from the crowd. To complete her look, the beauty accessorized with statement jewelry pieces like chandelier earrings, layered necklaces, or oversized cocktail rings. A sleek clutch and strappy heels would add the perfect finishing touches to her ensemble, ensuring that she shines bright at any event. For special occasions like weddings or red carpet events, the actress could opt for a heavily embellished lehenga that exudes opulence and grandeur. Intricate hand embroidery, sequin work, mirror detailing, and intricate beadwork can elevate her look to royal heights. She could choose a lehenga with a voluminous skirt for added drama, balanced with a well-fitted blouse to accentuate her figure. Incorporating sheer fabrics like net, chiffon, or organza can add an ethereal touch to her lehenga ensemble. She could opt for a sheer dupatta adorned with delicate embroidery or a lehenga skirt with strategically placed sheer panels for a hint of allure. Pairing it with a contrasting or complementary blouse would create a visually striking ensemble that highlights her style and grace. Her creative side by blending elements from different cultures into her lehenga ensemble. For instance, she could incorporate motifs or techniques inspired by Rajasthani, Gujarati, or Kashmiri embroidery into her outfit, creating a unique fusion of styles. Mixing and matching traditional elements with contemporary silhouettes would result in a one-of-a-kind look that celebrates diversity and creativity. While traditional lehengas often feature intricate embroidery and embellishments, the actress embraced the playful charm of printed fabrics for a fun and vibrant look. She could opt for lehengas adorned with quirky motifs, abstract designs, or bold geometric patterns to make a bold fashion statement. Embracing the simplicity of monochrome can create a sophisticated and timeless lehenga ensemble for Shraddha. She could opt for a lehenga set in a single color palette, incorporating different shades and textures for added depth. Shraddha could explore lehengas that reflect the traditional attire of different regions in India. Whether it's the vibrant colors and mirror work of Gujarat, the intricate craftsmanship and rich fabrics of Banaras, or the delicate handloom weaves of South India, incorporating regional influences into her lehenga ensemble would not only celebrate diversity but also add depth and richness to her look. For a touch of nostalgia and old-world charm, she opted for vintage-inspired lehengas reminiscent of bygone eras. She could explore retro silhouettes like flared skirts, high-waisted lehengas, or blouse designs inspired by vintage fashion icons. Shraddha treated her lehenga ensemble as a canvas for artistic expression, experimenting with bold colors, abstract prints, and avant-garde designs. She could collaborate with contemporary artists or designers known for their unconventional approach to fashion, creating a wearable work of art that pushes the boundaries of traditional attire. From graffiti-inspired motifs to abstract brushstrokes, the possibilities for artistic exploration are endless. Embracing the growing trend of sustainable fashion, the actress opted for eco-friendly lehengas made from organic fabrics, recycled materials, or handloom textiles. She could support local artisans and traditional craftsmanship by choosing lehengas crafted using age-old techniques like block printing, hand embroidery, or natural dyeing methods. Not only would she look stylish, but she would also contribute to a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. Instead of sticking to conventional draping styles, the actress could experiment with innovative drape techniques to give her lehenga ensemble a contemporary twist. She could explore unconventional draping styles inspired by modern fashion trends or even borrow inspiration from international runway looks. From draped sari-inspired lehengas to avant-garde cape drapes, experimenting with different draping techniques can add a touch of drama and flair to her ensemble. The actress could pay homage to India's rich heritage and cultural traditions by donning lehengas inspired by historical periods or dynasties. Whether it's the regal elegance of Mughal-inspired motifs, the intricate craftsmanship of Rajputana royalty, or the timeless allure of Victorian-era silhouettes, incorporating elements of heritage fashion into her lehenga ensemble would add a sense of grandeur and majesty to her look. Drawing inspiration from cultures around the world, Shraddha could create a fusion lehenga ensemble that seamlessly blends elements from different countries and traditions. She could mix and match fabrics, prints, and embellishments from diverse cultures, creating a truly unique and eclectic look that reflects her global outlook and cosmopolitan sensibilities. From tribal prints to bohemian embroidery, embracing global fusion fashion can add an element of intrigue and diversity to her lehenga ensemble. Shraddha opted for lehengas that channel the regal splendor of kings and queens. Rich fabrics like brocade, velvet, and silk adorned with intricate gold embroidery, pearls, and precious stones can create a truly opulent look fit for a queen. She could also experiment with royal color palettes such as deep maroon, royal blue, or emerald green to evoke a sense of aristocratic grandeur. For a playful and whimsical twist, she explored lehengas featuring quirky and unconventional elements. She could opt for lehengas adorned with whimsical motifs like unicorns, rainbows, or fairy tale characters, adding a touch of fantasy and fun to her ensemble. Incorporating unconventional fabrics like tulle or organza and playful embellishments like sequins or feathers can further enhance the whimsical vibe of her look. Shraddha could make a bold statement with lehengas featuring striking patterns and motifs that exude power and confidence. She could opt for geometric prints, tribal-inspired motifs, or bold stripes to add a contemporary edge to her ensemble. Pairing patterned lehengas with solid-colored blouses and minimal accessories would allow the bold patterns to take center stage, making a strong fashion statement wherever she goes. Incorporating vintage-inspired accessories like statement headpieces, retro sunglasses, or satin gloves can further enhance the vintage glamour of her ensemble. Taking cues from the beauty of nature, Shraddha could opt for lehengas featuring floral, botanical, or nature-inspired motifs. She could explore lehengas adorned with intricate floral embroidery, leafy motifs, or scenic landscapes, evoking the serene beauty of the natural world. Choosing soft, earthy color palettes like sage green, lavender, or dusty rose can further enhance the ethereal and romantic vibe of her ensemble, making her look like a true goddess of nature. The actress could infuse her lehenga ensemble with a touch of edgy sophistication by incorporating unconventional elements and modern details. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.